clip-ins and Invisi-edge clip-ins, what's the difference? Let's talk about it. Alright y'all, my hair is looking a hot mess right now, but we're gonna install some clip-ins today. So I got some clip-ins from I IDN Beauty. These are Remy hair extensions. So these straight off the bat, I'm gonna tell y'all, these are some good clip-ins. Like, this is real hair, like real hair from somebody. Like, I know this is real hair because I know when I know hair. And this is some really, really good quality hair right here. So this is going to last you. This is on the lines of like that Indian hair, like real Indian hair, stuff like that. But yes, this is some really nice quality hair. So I need these in bundles. Like, if y'all see this video, I IDN Beauty, send me some bundles with some hair like this, because this hair is gonna last you like years. I still have Indian hair from like 15 years ago. Like, it's gonna last you. So look at this. Whoo, it's silky straight, like silky straight, 24 inches. So I actually have two types of clip-ins, right, that I'm gonna talk to you about. So you know we have regular clip-ins, and then we have seamless clip-ins, and now they have these ones called Invisi-edge clip-ins. So let me show you the difference. Seamless clip-ins are seamless like this because other clip-ins, they have like a weft. You can see the weft. So this is without the weft. So the hair is on the bottom. Then you got your clips right here. So when we turn it around, it looks just like a tape-in. So these are going to resemble tape-ins, but they're clip-ins for your hair. So the weft is really thin. Like, it's like some point something millimeters, these wefts. So these are going to lay really flat and really close to your scalp. Now, with the Invisi-edge clip-ins, it's practically the same type of thing, same clip-in base, same thickness and weft, same clips on it, but when you turn it around, the hair is up on the edge. So this is going to give you, so if you can see, this is going to give you a more seamless look. This is going to give you, like, if you have thin hair up top, or if you ever wore tape-in clip-ins and sometimes you get to the top, you can see the tape-in clip-in if you haven't left enough hair out. So this right here is, you're not, because it has like the edge, almost like your hair is growing out of your scalp. So that's the difference between these type of clip-ins and your regular tape-in style clip-ins. But I love that you can use both of these together. So I'm going to install the regular clip-in, tape-in, the regular seamless clip-ins on the bottom, and then I'm going to put the Invisi-edge one on the top because I got some gray hair up here, and sometimes when I straighten it, it can look kind of thin, and then I got to spray me. I'm going to hook it up. It ain't going to look all crazy. I slept on my hair. I got some dookie braids in my hair, but I'm going to leave these braids in, and I'm going to install these clip-ins. So I have 2 packs of clip-ins, and with the Invisi-edge one, it's 3 packs. So I'm going to put all 3 packs of these clip-ins in my hair. Hopefully I don't have to put all of them in there, but I'm definitely, the top, I'm going to put the Invisi-edge clip-ins in. All right, so let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is straighten out my edges because I don't feel like doing it when I actually put the clip-ins in. So I'm going to straighten it out as much as I can. These are silky straight. They're not yucky clip-ins. They have a few different textures. You can get body wave. I believe they have yaki, and you can get the silky straight. I'm more of a silky straight girl. I'm kind of getting into the yaki straight. I've been kind of feeling that lately. My edges is, I went to the gym this morning, so it's just all balled up. Like, look at that. Like, it's just all balled up. I left a little leave out on the top, some on the sides, of course, and then I got some big old braids in the back. Start with 3. We'll start in the back. This. And literally just pop them on. So my braids are pretty big, but that's okay. Because it'll be alright. So this pack has like 3 and 4 clips in it, and it's about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. in a pack, and then you get 2 little small ones too. So I suggest you get like at least 2 packs of clip-ins if you want a full head. If you're a girl that likes like a lot of hair in your head, then you want to go ahead and just get 3 packs, because you want it to be covered. You don't want it to be like gappy and stuff like that. But super simple to put in. I love clip-ins. It's like a quick to do. And you can also blend this in your hair. I'm just kind of doing it like this. I'm really trying to grow my hair in, so I ain't really been putting like no heat or nothing on my hair. So that's almost 1 pack of clip-ins. So that's why you need to get like 2 or 3 packs, so that you'll be able to fill in your head. Now, if you were just mixing this in your hair, like, it's definitely going to be enough. I got these braids in my hair, so I have to, I kind of got to make sure I space them out correctly. And also make sure that they're not going to be gappy. But since I got 3 packs, I should be good. You can look at 3 packs like 3 bundles. And you always want to start from the front and then to the back, because if you like continue from the back, you're going to end up at a weird side of the head. So you want to start at the front and then end up in the back. Alright, that's better. That is better right there. Put more braids in your hair than I did, because you don't. Already close up on the top and the back. So super easy to put in these clip-ins. Like, too easy. So the thing about the seamless ones is they gonna lay flat like that. So it's kind of like a cut and paste thing, like, especially because I can't see what I'm doing, because I'm in the camera right now. Okay, so let me show you with the Invisi one, and then I think I put all my long seamless ones in. These are gonna lay right here, but you're gonna see that little band right here at the top, the little taping thing. But when you put these in, the Invisi one, it like, you can't see. Ooh, that lays super flat. Now look at that. So right here, you see this is flat up here, you don't see that band, and then this one, you see that band right here. So this is going to give you more coverage in your clip-ins. I should have left more hair out, but next time leave more hair out than me. But here it is. Only reason why my hair is like this is because I had a V-part wig on, so only had a little bit of leave out. But that is genius. I like to do that on the edge, because look how that would look versus this one. Only issue is like I said, I have a V part, so don't do this like me. Leave more hair out on the top. Like I said, I had a V-part wig on, so I'm sure that part is probably not going to be like all the way covered right here, because of the way I had to lay the tracks and the amount of leave out I got up there. Other than that, really good, really flat. This hair is just like super gorgeous. So this is going to really, if you have thin hair, or like I said, my gray hair, like when my roots grow in, like it really be making my, it really makes my hair look like it's thin, and it's not, but it's like a little see-through because it's gray and there ain't no color there. But that Invisi thing is really like a game changer for that if you have thin hair and you like to wear clip-ins. So let me see how this straight. I know this is gonna straighten good. I already know with this hair. So I know when hair is good and this is good hair. So this is like really, whew, look at it. It's just silky. Nice and silky. Yeah, I already know. You ain't got to tell me twice about no good hair. Now people be like this, look at that. That's how that's supposed to do. It's supposed to be like a piano. Like, look at that. So you can straighten this. This is silky straight. So if you curl it, I don't know how much of a curl is going to hold because they're straight. It's meant to be straight. So some people be like, can I hold the curl? You can curl it, but I don't know how much it's gonna hold because it's meant to be straight. The hair is meant to be straight. So if you want one that's going, if you want clip-ins that's gonna hold a curl, then get body wave. Well, I wasn't even straightening it on 450. That was on 410. And I'm really just straightening this in big parts, but you straighten this better than me. Don't do as I do, but don't do as I do. I just be trying to hurry up and finish my hair. That's why I like putting on the lace wigs and stuff, because I just want to get my hair like finished. Like, like let me just hurry up and just get it done. But look at this. Look at this hair. Oh, I didn't straighten this part over here. So if you do this, leave more hair out on the top when you put clip-ins in. And then it would be nice to blend your hair in with the clip-ins once you get to the top. Like I said, I already had these braids in, so I was being lazy. I didn't take the braids out. So it's not much leave out on the top, but leave more hair out. Or leave enough out the length of the clip-ins so that you can be able to have them sectioned properly. That's like the only thing with like clip-ins when you get to the top is because they're just straight. They can't curve like hair does. Sometimes it's hard for them to lay properly on the top. All right, so let me straighten my little hair out right here. So you can't really tell nothing with this gray hair. I'm trying to grow my hair in, and I've been measuring how much it's been growing by how much gray hair I got. So that's why the gray hair is like prominent up here right now. I'm trying to see. After having 2 kids, your hair, and getting past 30, I don't know, your hair just, it does what it wants to do. So all these products are gonna be in my description box. I'm gonna leave this in here so you can get this yourself if you want. I ain't do no baby hair with this. I ain't want to. Sometimes like when you're doing like the bone straight look, like you ain't gotta do no baby hair with it. Like let's just do it. Hairspray. Look at that. So yesterday I put this brown hairspray on top of my head. My husband was like, why did you do that? So I think today I'm gonna spray some of the topic on there. So this is also in my storefront. But I think I got too much gray hair for this. I should have bought black spray. That's what I should have did. But I didn't buy black spray. The lady told me that it was gonna be like black brown. Well, more like dark brown, because it's supposed to be brown black, but it's more like dark brown. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave some links in the description box so you can get these bomb clip-ins. I want you to go check it out. Make sure you guys follow my social media so that you can keep up with me. And make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to build this channel up, trying to bring old school hair tutorials back. So make sure you like it and share. And I'll see y'all guys the next time.